And we're mateys, I'm at round one. Bowling alley and arcade in Roseville at the Roseville Galleria. It's been $14.95 for this pizza and the fries. There's a wide variety of options you can get, including yes, you can get a Ramune drink, those Japanese bottled drinks, fun ones with marbles. Chicken tenders, a variety of things actually. Dinosaurs are not included. You gotta win one. Although somebody did give me one. Hey, here, let's check out the fries.
Good fries.
Oh yes. My matey here got a Modelo for $8. Good, hey? Ah yes. She likes it. She likes hers. She got this one of these peppers.
Olives and tomatoes.
Oh, you like yours, eh?
Yep.
They are made to order here. You can get them as slices or a large one. All this here is $14.95, but you could get a whole pizza for $30.15, a large one. So it's not too bad actually. Comes with the drink as well. Here I got me a Diet Coke, so nothing much to write about that as far as I can tell. I hope not. I hope it's gonna taste like standard Diet Coke. So here we are at the arcade. You can get, so like I said, there's a if you win maybe prizes, you can go over there and go get them on your virtual card instead of tickets. You know, that's what they do nowadays. Quite exciting. And you need the ID here. One drink per ID, by the way, if you're going to get the booze. So kind of like a Dave & Buster's, and it's huge though, huge. All right, so I'm gonna go check out that arcade soon enough. Like, subscribe. Oh yes, there's bowling too, of course. Like, subscribe, stay folksy. Rawr.